Let me show you a dish that will not only make people fall in love with you, but they will want to marry you. Today we're making Marry Me Chicken. Take 2 chicken breasts and then butterfly them, so open them up like a book and then cut them in half completely so you have 2 fillets from each breast. Season them on each side with salt and pepper and set to one side. Next, peel and finely dice 1 onion, peel and finely grate 2 cloves of garlic on a microplane, and cut 100 grams of sun-dried tomatoes into strips. Next, place a frying pan or a sauté pan over high heat and drizzle in 20 milliliters of olive oil. Once the oil's hot, lay in the chicken and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Remove the chicken from the pan. Place the pan back over the heat and turn the heat to low. Place in 20 grams of butter and then add in the diced onions. Cook the onions for 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Next, add in the grated garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes and cook for a further 2 minutes. Now pour in 200 milliliters of chicken stock and bring it to a simmer. Once simmering, stir in 100 milliliters of double cream. Next, add in 10 grams of Dijon mustard, grate in 30 grams of Parmesan cheese, drop in 10 grams of fresh basil leaves and place the chicken back into the pan. Simmer for a further 4 minutes, turning the chicken over halfway through. Serve it with rice, pasta or potatoes, it's entirely up to you. And top it with more fresh basil leaves, a little grating of Parmesan and a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. I don't think there's an easy recipe that has as much flavour as this one. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.